Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh Yak Shimash, shalom and good day y'all. So we have done it, we have hit 4,000 subscribers, it is remarkable and I can't believe it, but we actually did it. And so I would like to say a great big thank you to all of you for the past over 3 years of all the help and everything and assistance and watching and all your input and everything, so thank you so much for that. So we've come back to BENCHY. Now BENCHY was unboxed. This is the HVR 160-11, 620 watts. Now this was the vacuum that got sent to me last year and I unboxed it at Sam's when I hit the 3,000 subscriber mark. So I thought we'd come back to him because I haven't emptied the bag since then. This is genuinely the same bag that's been in it for all this time, which is about 8 months. So it's starting to lose suction a little bit, and I think it's time to change the bag. So I'm going to bring you guys closer and we will take a look at BENCHY. So the whole idea of BENCHY and the name and everything came from Sam Watson back in 1987. Links in the video description to his channel. And his vacuum that he uses for doing all the cleanups and stuff, he calls it BENCHY. So I decided, obviously he knows about it, to call him BENCHY too. And my friend Jordan, he made these stickers for me. So they were sort of like laser cut. So we got Hooverlux here and we got BENCHY, which I stuck on there. So don't get to see him very often. He's always stuck in the corner. So let's open up BENCHY. Now he's got this super long hose on it, which is about 3 meters. Okay, it's a little bit of dust. Wow, that bag is absolutely chock-a-full. Let's gently do it this way. My God, it's packed. There we go. Ugh, leaves and stuff. I've been tidying up here today. That weighs an absolute ton. The bag isn't completely full, but it is definitely a full bag. Now the only mess you can see inside there is from me trying to change the bag, so I'm going to tip it out. There we go. Let's take a look at the motor. It's nice and clean. Aha! Coffee's arrived. Thank you very much. Yummy, yummy, yummy. A lovely cup of coffee. And I've got another bag for him here, and a genuine bag, of course. There we go. This is the NVM1CH 604015. This way up, Numatic HEPA flow. So let's pop his new bag on. Lay it down like that. Let's pop his hat on. And his head. And let's try, because the suction was starting to go a little bit. So we'll switch him on. Yay! And there we go. BENCHY is back to new with a brand new bag. And I'm going to carry on vacuuming. So I really do like this machine. I was a little bit kind of wary at the beginning, thinking about its quality. But to be honest, it is, well, I've only had it 8 months and they last for years, and it's kind of looked after and it's cleaned and everything, and you see it on view. So there we go. Thank you very much to BENCHY. Thank you very much to Jordan for making these lovely stickers for me to put on BENCHY. And thank you to Sam for letting me trademark the name. And here we have Henry BENCHY. So just a short one for you today, guys. So yep, we've got a new bag in BENCHY that has lasted a year. I wonder how long this bag is going to last. Well, 8 months, sorry, not a year. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, share my videos. And to all of you out there, I would just like to give a great big thank you. The next benchmark for unboxing a new vacuum is 10,000 subscribers. So when we get to 10,000 subscribers, I have a brand new in-box gifted vacuum for you guys to see. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. I will start giving hints closer to the 10,000 subscriber mark, and we will do a special unboxing for my next milestone, which is going to be 10,000 subscribers. So I'd like to say a big thank you to all of you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Mwah!